Your life is getting worse after 10 p.m., and you already know it. Every night. And the next day, you pick up your phone. Just 5 minutes. One video, then another, then another. Suddenly, it's 1 a.m., and you did nothing. This isn't random. Nighttime is when your discipline is weakest. You're tired. Your brain is drained. And instead of resting, you feed it more noise. Scrolling feels easy. No effort. Constant entertainment. Your brain loves it. But there's a cost. The more you scroll at night, the worse your focus becomes. The worse your sleep gets. And the next day, you feel slow, lazy, unmotivated. You wake up tired. You delay your work. You can't concentrate. And deep down, you feel behind in life. Your problem isn't lack of time. It's how you waste your nights. Successful people don't win the day. They win the night. They know when to stop. Rule 1. Set a hard cutoff time. After 10 p.m., no scrolling. Rule 2. Keep your phone away. Out of reach is out of control. Rule 3. Replace scrolling with something simple. Plan your next day. Read a few pages. Or just sleep early. It's not about being perfect. It's about breaking the habit. Because every night you waste turns into a bad morning, a slow day, and a delayed life. Fix your nights, and your life starts fixing itself. Ignore it, and nothing changes.
If this made you think, like this video and subscribe for more.